Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to add a freeze frame in CapCut app on your smartphone. Freeze frames are a great way to emphasize a particular moment in your video. And it's a very easy process, so we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you've already downloaded the CapCut app on your phone. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. Next up, tap on the New Project button to add a new video. Now select the video you want to work with from your gallery. Tap on Add. Now the video is imported to your CapCut project. You can place for your video and pause at the moment where you want to add the freeze frame. Let's add freeze over here. Here you can see the toolbar option at the bottom. Scroll and find freeze option. Here you can see freeze option. Tap on it. Now you can drag over the timeline to set the timing for the freeze. I will just select 1 second of freeze. Once you're happy, tap on play. So that's how you can add freeze to your selected moment. Once you're satisfied, you can save this project to your device. So that's it, you've successfully added a freeze frame to your video using CapCut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.